If you want to get your brows done in under 2 minutes, these are the products you would need. Got2b Brow Glue Gel. Next, you would need 1 or 2 concealers. So if you have one that is your perfect shade, you can go ahead to use that. I like to mix and match, so I always have one lighter and one darker, or one next to my skin tone. A spoolie or brow pencil of your choice. So this right here is what a spoolie looks like. It's just a brush and 2 brushes. So you need one that is very flat, like so, and one that is fluffy. And of course you need a mirror, which I have right here. So don't forget, or you use a smaller mirror depending on your choice. So first things first, you just use your spoolie to brush up your brow hairs like so. And now I'm going to get out the got2b glue. What I like to do is to take out the excess product on the brush back into the tube. Then I'm just going to comb. So I'm starting off with this brow first. I'm just going to comb my brows upwards just so that the product is on my brow hairs. And repeat it for the other side. Then you wait for this to air dry. So if you like to curve your brow or make your brow have like a certain shape like this, then make sure to use the brush to do that. But I like mine just way up. I prefer here to here, but you can do whichever one you prefer. So now that you're done applying the product to your brow hairs and they're a tad bit tacky or dry, you can use your finger to press it to your desired shape. I like mine like this. Or you can go in with the bottom of your brush and press it if you don't want to touch the product. Pretty much does the same thing. I can actually go out like this without, concealing my brows. That's if you have very full brows. But then if you have very scanty brows, this is also a very great technique, because now you can see the areas where you can go in with a brow pencil and slightly thick it, or just go in with a concealer. So I'll show you how I do that with a concealer. So this is what the dark concealer looks like, and here is what the light concealer looks like. I tend to scoop it out to this side, then mix it together to see what works for me. Now I have mixed the shade I feel works best for my skin tone. So now I'm just going to follow my brow shape. So I'm just going to come forward a bit. That is pretty much it for my concealing. You can see that it looks sort of close to my skin tone, and now that's where the fluffy brush comes in. Now it's time for me to blend this into my skin. I suggest or highly recommend that you blend immediately after concealing your brow. Also, if you did not fill your brow hairs before, you can totally still do it now, but I'm not doing either of that. So this is what my brow looks like after concealing. I don't conceal the top of my brow, but you can definitely do that if you want. Because of how I have stretched my brows to look, it's pretty defined, so I don't need to conceal the top. But if you also want to conceal the top, you can definitely do that. I'm going to link a video to where I showed you guys how I used, I believe, the NYX brow glue. This was like years back, I guess. I'll just link the video so you guys can see. So this right here is what my brow looked like after concealing it. I didn't touch the top like I mentioned. I just blended here so it looks more natural, and I can totally go out like this if I want. So just to say a few things about the got2b brow glue, because this is the star product of today. This retails for €5 up or £5 up depending on where you're getting it from. It's a 16 ml product, and this will last you for a long time. I have been using it for I think about 2 weeks or a week, and I really do like it, and that's the reason why I thought to share with you guys. According to the packaging here, it says that it can be used on the edges, it can be used on your brows. I have never tried it on my edges, so I really don't know about that. But for brows, this totally does work. It claims to have no stickiness, helps to protect your hair from drying out. It's a vegan formula. It's free from animal derived ingredients. One thing I would say is that this isn't sticky. Once it air dries, it just goes down flat, and it doesn't flake. I haven't noticed any flakiness for the time period I have been using it. I totally do like it. In terms of the brush is fine. It's not, shaky. It's just okay, it does the job. And my brow hairs, do not dry out. They're still as thick as they are, and yeah, to take it off is really easy. I normally would take off my makeup or clean my face with a cleansing oil before I go in with a cleanser. If you've tried this product out, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.